Hi everyone, welcome back to our vlog, and for today's video guys, I will show you how we get to Alaminos, Pangasinan. So right now, since we're waiting for our travel, so nag-staycation tayo dito sa Quezon City, which is cost us only 1,000 pesos and all good na with the shower and all. So, ayan siya guys. Ito yung rooms nila for deluxe room. Actually, if you're going to walk in there, mas mahal siya. So, nasa 2,500 or 600. But we booked our homestay or staycation at Agoda. So, much better kayo ng application or mag-install ng application to Agoda guys. So, this is my outfit for today. Since kailangan namin mag-dinner, so naka-ready na ako for my outfit. So that's it guys. I love the color and all with my dress. So yan guys. And now we're heading to bus station here in Cubao, Quezon City. Pwede kayong mag-walk-in if you wanted to travel to Pangasinan. 550 and 1,100 round trip na siya guys. So, yan na siya. And, ayan, magta-travel na kami going to Alaminos. This is our first time or my first time to visit the beach resort nila doon. But, I've been there for a long time ago na. Since yung aking mga pamangkin ay taga Pangasinan, so nakapag-travel na rin tayo before sa Pangasinan. But right now, I'm more on into relaxing moment or chillax time lang. So the tricycle fare is 250 one way lang. So 500 balikan na siya. But nasa 25 minutes going to the resort. Pwede rin kayong rent doon mismo sa bus station if you wanted to visit here. So this is the beach resort guys, at Tanasha Beach Resort here in Pangasinan. Sobrang tahimik yung lugar, napakaganda ng place guys. And kung gusto niyo lang mag-travel dito, like mag-unwind or mag-relax lang talaga, ito yung perfect place para sa inyo. So 250 lang siya yung entrance fee niya, and then pwede kayong mag-pitch ng tent. Kami nag-tent lang kami here. So nasa 750 at total price. Good for 2 packs na siya. And if you're a mountaineer, pwede kayong magdala ng cook set and stove and butane and all. So pwede kayong magluto dito kasi pag wala kayong dalang food, maghahanap pa kayo ng makakainan kasi hindi pa siya masyadong open talaga in public. So, ayan, much better talaga na may dala kayong pagkain guys. So, yung breakfast namin for today is just the corned beef. And then we also have our fried fish and aside from that, egg as well. So, ang ganda ng view namin, nakita nyo naman. 6:30 pa lang gising na kami para ma-experience ang sunrise. But anyways, walang sunrise talaga. But all good naman siya. And that's it guys. Ayan, ako yung chef for today's vlog. Medyo struggle sa butane. It's really hot. So ayan na guys. And then after this, kakain lang tayo. After kumain, mag-hike ng konti, and then we're good. We're going to swim na after this. So, ayan siya guys. Magdala lang kayo ng mga goods nyo or mga foods, and worth it na talaga siya. So, sobrang well spent yung aming weekend here in Pangasinan. And sobrang bait ng mga caretaker dito sa Anastasia or Atanasha Resort. Sila yung nag-provide sa amin ng mesa and table and upuan. So napakabait talaga nila sa amin. Yan. So, napakasarap na aming tuyo, guys. Ayoko na mag-voice over. Ang hirap-hirap. But I need to do the voice over. Ayun that is our ulam for today. Sana na sarapan kayo sa aming luto, guys. Napakasarap na aming food. And the egg, the alamang, the tuyo, and all. That's it. Bye for now. Guys, we're going, ay, pagana. Ano meron? What happened?
Yeah.
Gandaan na. Okay. Hi, bebe! Krista, my love! Dito kami, my love ko. Dito kami sa forest. Grabe, hindi ko kinaya to. Ang dami. Wait, saan naman pala siya? Hindi ganito, white. Okay, I'm good.
Maraming dahon.
Gumagalaw siya eh.
Buhay pa.
Buhay pa po. Ayan. Si Archin. Si Archin. Grabe, gumagalaw siya. Guys, halik kayo. Mamunga tayo ng Sir Urchin. Okay. Gumagalaw pa siya. Yan, ganyan. Grabe siya. Lagyan natin ng tubig. Lagyan natin tubig. Let's go! Lagyan natin ng suka. Kakainin natin dito. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! We're going home.